Welcome back to Nate's Corner. So, today, guess what we're going to do? We're going to unbox this microwave. Unfortunately, my microwave just cut out on me, and I just ran out to pick up another one. Didn't want to spend a whole lot of money because I planned on redoing the kitchen soon or within the near future, and I'm going to have a built-in micro hood, but not just yet. And we need to have a microwave. So, here we go. Ran out. This looked like a pretty good one, so I figured I'd just bring you guys along with me to open it up, and let's see what we got. Okay, so I picked up, this appears to be an Oyster. It is a 1.1 cubic foot countertop microwave oven. Picked it up from Target, $89.99, so wasn't that bad. Like I said, I just need something inexpensive for us to pretty much, only thing we really use the microwave for is to heat up leftovers and popcorn. So, and we can't go without our popcorn around here. So, let's get started. Open this puppy up and see what we got. I'm just going to slit the tape on the corners here. Like I said, I know, of course, obviously there are a lot more powerful microwaves and things like that, but we don't need that much. Like I said, just heat up leftovers, I don't even, I know some people cook like their noodles and their little instant pasta packs and stuff in the microwave, but I honestly do not do that. So, we just need something to get us by. Now, of course, when I do the built-in, it will definitely do something more powerful and, more sturdy, but we just need something for now. So, let's see if I can get this thing out of here. Now, y'all might have to give me a minute. Let me get this thing out of here, because it's kind of heavy. So, give me a second. Be right back once I get it out. It's out. This is our Oyster microwave oven. And this is straight out the box. Just dumped it out. So let's take the plastic off. It comes with plastic. Got some paper taped on it to keep it from being scratched up. Looks really nice. Nice and shiny on top. I'll have to put something on top so it doesn't get all scratched up. A very nice looking microwave. Well, all you can see is the back, so let's got this thing on the table so we easily spin it around. Look at me thinking ahead. Not really, it just kind of worked out that way. But anywho, so here we go. So this is the way it looks. Pretty nice, sleek looking design. Sleek design. It looks about the same as about the same size as the one I have now. That's on my microwave cart. So it's gonna fit in nicely. So let me just spin it around a tad where we both can see here. Go too far. So it's got the stainless steel trimming, but none of that stainless steel. And again, I'm okay with that. Open the door. And inside, see what we got inside. Inside, we have not much to it though. Instruction manual, rotating plate, and the rotating device. So we just stick that in. Stick that in. Voila. Not much to it, like I said. Microwave, not a lot of bells and whistles. I like the way it looks. Nice, sleek design. Buttons, flat. Push, open. We gotta plug it up if you want. Let's plug it up real quick so you can see the digital format of it. I can get it to reach here. Let's see. We're like almost there. Hold on. Maybe. Hold on. See if we can scooch it over just a tad. There we are. You can see that. It's just digital. And of course we gotta program everything. Yeah. I think I like this. It's going to serve our purpose. Like I said, it looks like it's about exactly the same size as the one I have. Didn't want anything overly big, but also not dorm room small. So this is definitely good usage. So it's like 1100 watts, I believe. I have to double check that. But again, I mean, under $100 for, just for those of you that basically, we need a microwave. We're reheating things. We're not cooking anything, maybe doing some frozen dinners, some popcorn. I guess a potato here and there, but honestly, I don't even put my potatoes in the microwave because I have another little small convection toaster oven that I put my potatoes in. So, but yeah, I think it feels sturdy, not cheap feeling. I like the front. Like I said, it's not completely stainless steel. It's just got the stainless steel trimming. The rest of it is black, the top and the sides, but I'm okay with that. It looks really nice. I like it. I think this is a good purchase. So I just wanted to take you all with me as I unbox my new emergency replacement microwave. And let me know if you have this microwave. Like I said, it's the Oster 1.1 cubic foot microwave. Made by Sunbeam. Obviously, this video is not sponsored in any way. I just figured I'd take you along with me as I open my new microwave. But I think I'm gonna like it. Let me know if any of you out there have tried this microwave, and what do you think? You know, like I said, I didn't get it for any heavy lifting. It's just, you know, really basic microwave usage. So thank you guys for hanging out with me for this few minutes of opening up my microwave. And I'll catch you next time on Renee's Corner. And hey, if you want to just drop in with me and see what we're doing and what I'm doing, because as I've said before, there's no telling what I could possibly be doing next. So just, hey, hit that subscribe button and that like button. And then if you also take time, hit the bell. So when I do upload something else, you can, come and hang out with me. All right. Thanks, guys. Until next time.